Ready? And I forgot about the 350. Okay, this is gonna be easy. Like by the 7th take, we'll get this, okay? And hello, and welcome to Coxreels Tech Tips. Before we get started, it's always important to start with safety tips. You should always have gloves on when you're working with sheet metal product. I just don't like the way that one was sounding. That was just no good. It's no good. It's no good. Hello, and welcome. Hello, and welcome to Coxreels Tech Tips. Now, since you haven't, are you gonna be able to do that? You're not gonna be able to do that. I really wish we had an inlet hose here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tell him to take it off. Damn it. Okay. Hello. I'll turn the reel around here, and this is what we're gonna use our 3/8. However, I skipped a step. Haha. This is really hard to make it look smooth when you don't know what you're doing.
You know what you're doing. Come on.
Very good. The next step is going to be to pull off a couple of screw nuts. They're called nuts. Did you know that? Nuts, nuts. Okay, we'll make this smooth one way or another. Brian will fix this. Post-op, Brian will fix this. It'll be good. It'll be great. It's going to look good. None of this will be in there. Dun 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 dun. Taking advantage of one of Coxreels' nifty features is an external fluid path. That is ridiculous. You don't say nifty. You don't say nifty. Woo! And mark. With our nuts tightened, we're going to go ahead and finish the assembly of the swivel. You know what I'm saying, right? The nifty swivel. Now I'm gonna get a hammer and I'm gonna hammer out these couple of screws because they kind of stick in there. Oh, that is cute. I'll go ahead and redo that part because I didn't like that. There's a couple of websites that we use when someone calls us up, and those are called Cole Palmer or, what is the other one? I don't remember what the other one is called. It really doesn't matter. It's not important. We're gonna be talking about swivel, swivel joints, swivels. So, that's what is most important on the class 7, or class 7. Class 7. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see.
Here, I got stuff for you.
What is it, a flashlight?
All right. You can't see.
I need spotlights. Spotlights. Makeup. Well, Brad, they didn't have the purple M&Ms in my dressing room, so, I can't work under these conditions. Okay, and action. Thank you for tuning into our tech